Hey guys, it's Heather. In today's video, I am going to be sharing with you a list of all of my favorite Holy Grail cleaning products for use around the house. So before I get into it, definitely leave me a comment down below and let me know all of your favorite cleaning products and how you use them around the house. I love hearing from you guys, so definitely let me know down below. And I will link and list all of the products that I share with you here today down below in the description box, so definitely check that out. Just a quick disclaimer here, of course, you should always read labels before using cleaning products. Make sure that you're using them properly, check the surfaces that they're compatible with, and always spot test the areas if you're skeptical about a certain surface. So the first product I am going to talk about today is my Dyson stick vacuum. This is the V8, I believe. It works really good. It lasts for about 45 minutes of charge. I love this thing. It has made life so much easier. Vacuuming is so quick. I can quickly hit all of my hardwood, tile, bathroom, carpets, whatever, just really quickly. The vacuum is so light and portable, and it has many different attachments depending on what you're cleaning. So to remove this, you just quick and easy hit that button and it takes the long vacuum piece off. And it quickly becomes a tiny hand vac. So mine came with 4 different attachments here to choose from. This is good for like doing the stairs or if you have some carpet on your stairs and just some other attachments. This one is great for getting in really deep into, like if you want to use it in your car, just to get into any crevices. And then it also comes with this one as well. I have tried everything to remove those really annoying, stubborn hardwooder stains off my shower glass doors. I was a little bit skeptical at first, but after trying so many different products, I saw this at Home Depot. It was super cheap. I ended up picking it up and now I don't use anything else. And it also works really, really good at removing any grease and grime off your stovetop. It comes in a bunch of different types of packaging. It has the powder cleanser, it has the gel cleanser, and it also has spray. So they definitely have a good wide range of things to choose from, and the pricing is really affordable. What's also great about Barkeeper's Friend is that it's safe and non-toxic, and it does the work without risking damaging your surfaces or etching your glass, having to use such harsh chemicals to really remove those pesky hardwooder stains. So when you go to use this, make sure you're wearing some gloves. I just quickly spray down the glass ahead of time. If you're using the gel cleanser, you don't necessarily have to wet it, but with the powder you do. So I just go ahead and I wet it. I take a blue Scotch-Brite non-scratch sponge. I put a little bit of the cleanser on top of it and I just work it into the surface, working from top to bottom. I give it a few minutes to penetrate and get in there and do its magic into the stains. And once it's soaked in for a couple minutes, then I go ahead and rinse it off and my shower glass doors look like new. They are sparkling. My next favorite is the Clorox Foamer. This stuff is amazing at getting your surfaces white. If you have any pesky mold or mildew stains in your shower, like the pink or even like the dark black ones that you've cleaned and you've just trying to get rid of it and it's not going away, definitely check out this Clorox Foamer. This stuff is amazing. You just spray it on there, let it soak in for a couple minutes, and voila, that stain is gone. It also works really good at restoring grout lines. So if you did have some white grout and it is dark and dirty and dingy and gross, and you've tried everything to get it clean, check out using some of this foamer on the grout lines. It will make your grout looking new again. So the next product I'm gonna talk about is my favorite all-purpose bathroom cleaner, and that is the Soft Scrub. My personal favorite is the one in Oxy, but the bleach one is good too. I use this to clean my kitchen, my bathroom sinks, showers, tubs, toilets. It's also awesome at tackling like any tough stains from the bathroom or any kitchen surfaces. And one of my favorite tools to use the Soft Scrub with is the Scotch-Brite shower scrubber. It extends about 2 feet. And if you're looking to cut down on cleaning time in the shower and the tubs, I definitely recommend checking this out. Typically to clean one of my shower tub areas, it would take me like 10 to 15 minutes of scrubbing with this thing. I think that it cuts the cleaning time down to about 5 minutes if I use it with a really good cleanser. And it's just not so hard like on your back, bending over, and with the scrubbing motion, it really does a really good job of getting in there and removing all of that soap scum. And the cleaning scrubber is replaceable, which is great. So my next 2 favorite must-haves around the house are kind of like the dynamic duo, and that is vinegar. This is just the white distilled vinegar, and baking soda. I use this on pretty much everything. I have a whole video dedicated to vinegar and how I specifically use it to clean around my house, and I will link that up below in the cards and also down below in the description box, so you can go ahead and check that out if you're interested specifically in more ways for cleaning with vinegar. These two are my favorite all natural around the house multi-purpose cleaning products, and mixing vinegar and baking soda together works so well for cleaning your washing machine and removing any of that mildew or musty smell. I like to give my washer a good clean about every couple of weeks. I use about a cup of vinegar and then a cup of baking soda in my machine. I'll just go ahead and dump 1 cup of the baking soda into the drum and then dump the vinegar right on top of that, and then I'll also put a little bit into the fill cap in the detergent dispensing area. And I will set my washing machine to a hotter setting and just let it run, and once it's done, the drum comes out sparkling and really smelling great. There's no traces of any kind of foul odor left, which is awesome. For cleaning the drains, especially in my kitchen sink and in my bathroom, so like in any of the tubs or shower drains or even in the sinks, if there is a foul or unpleasant smell, I use it to neutralize the odor so that there isn't that smell anymore. And I do the same thing about a cup of baking soda and then a cup of vinegar, and I let it sink in for about 5 to 10 minutes before I flush it down the drain with either boiling hot water or as hot as I can get the faucet. If you don't have one of these, please do yourself a favor and go out and get one. You will not be disappointed. You will not regret it. It is a lifesaver. This is the Clorox toilet wand, and it cleans way better than a toilet brush, and you're not dealing with all that mess and just leaving a nasty, gross toilet brush in your bathroom at all times. So with this, once you pop the refill on, it is so simple. You just take it just like this, and you can hear it click. Flicks right on. Pull it out of the package and you're ready to go. This product deep cleans your toilet and you're done. You don't have to worry about nasty toilet brush cleaner holder and all that getting all gross and nasty. All I do is I just scrub my toilet. I let this sit right in between the toilet seat and I let it dry. I let the solution soak into the toilet for about 10 minutes to make sure it's really disinfecting the toilet. And then once this is dry, I go ahead and I pull it out. It hit the little clicker right here and it pops off. There's no mess, no fuss. I typically get the huge pack. I think it comes with like 36 refills, and it always comes with 1 extra wand. If you go to Target, I think that Target sells them in packs, in refill packs of like 6. So let's talk about some floor cleaning products. My favorite hardwood floor cleaner are the Bona products, specifically these wet cleaning pads. These disposable pads are best for like quick and easy cleaning. So if you want no mess, you just pop the pad on. You don't have to worry about spraying. You don't have to worry about using a mop bucket. You don't have to worry about any of that. You just put the mop on, you mop, you toss it, you're done. Also with these pads, you don't have to worry about like any rinsing of the floor or any sticky kind of grimy residue or streaking. They really do a nice job of making your floors look so nice. You don't have to worry about that streaking or like that funky haze, and it dries really quick on your floors, which is also a bonus. I do also love the traditional Bona, the mop that comes with the reusable, they're like the washable pads. They're awesome, and then I have to spray, and I'll go ahead and I'll spray and then mop it. But that's kind of like a 2-step process, and if I'm just looking for a quick, easy, time-saving, I will go ahead and use these pads. Next up on the floor cleaning are the Swiffer wet mopping cloths. When I'm in a rush and I want to clean, especially like tile surfaces, so my bathrooms, my laundry room, anything that's tile, I don't even mess around and take out a mop bucket. Personally, I just think this is easier, it's quicker. And the mops and the mop bucket, I'm not a huge fan of those these days, so I just prefer to use the Swiffer disposable pads that you just pop on, you push the mop around, and you're done. These are great because they trap and they lock away all the dirt and grime that build up on your bathroom floors and just gets all nasty, and they just make cleaning quick and easy. I also pick these up from either BJ's or Costco in the bulk packs because I like to have a ton of these on hand. So this stuff is hands down the best stainless steel cleaner that I have come across. It is by the brand Wyman, I'm not sure how to pronounce it exactly. It does an amazing job at removing any of like those little fingerprints that you might get on your fridge or any kind of gunk or schmeg that builds up on your fridge, and it restores my appliances to looking brand new again. It never leaves any streaking or any haze or any types of smudges that other products that I have used to clean my stainless steel do. I get the 3-pack of the cans at like Costco or BJ's, but they also do have the wipes, which I really like. I almost like them better than these, but they don't have them in the big bulk pack. So if you didn't comment yet, definitely comment down below. Let me know what your favorite household cleaning products are and what you use them for. I would love to hear your guys' favorites, and make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss my upcoming videos, especially one that I'm gonna be doing. I'm doing a deep clean of my shower and my shower glass in my bathroom using all of my bathroom cleaning favorites. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.